Tired of your crypto sitting idle in your SafePal wallet? Let's bridge that gap and get those digital assets flowing into your real-world bank account. Alright, first things first, fire up your SafePal app and make sure you're logged in. We're going to assume you already have some funds in your wallet ready to go. Now, tap on the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your bank account. For this example, let's say you want to move some Bitcoin. Find Bitcoin in your asset list and tap on it. You should now see a screen with options related to your Bitcoin. Look for the trade option. It's often represented by two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Tap on that trade button. This takes you to the trading interface. Now, we need to essentially sell our crypto for a currency that we can then withdraw to our bank. Select Sell. You will be asked which currency you wish to sell your crypto to. Select a fiat currency such as USD. This will allow you to easily make the transfer to your bank account. Great, now input the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. The app will show you the equivalent amount in your selected fiat currency. Double-check the amount is correct and tap Confirm. Once the trade is complete, you'll see the fiat currency in your SafePal wallet. Select it, and you'll see options similar to when you selected Bitcoin. Choose the Withdraw button. SafePal usually uses a third-party transfer service in order to withdraw to your bank account. Select one of the available methods to continue. Ensure you have an account with this method already. Now you will need to set up your transfer method to link to your bank account. Ensure all the details are correct when setting up the transfer method, as any errors will delay or cancel your transfer. Almost done. Now check the details once more and make sure the amount and bank details are accurate. Then tap Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. And there you have it. Your withdrawal is now processing. The time it takes to hit your bank account can vary depending on the payment processor and your bank, but you'll usually see it within a few business days. Remember to check your bank statements to confirm the deposit.